Hello and welcome to the Slingshot channel. Remember my 1000 Joule airgun project? Well, I have a new project, and that is the 200 Joule rubber powered repeating crossbow challenge. And I've already made a very big step today because it's shooting. Let me show you its features. Repeating crossbows like the Adder, the Stinger and the Siege are already on the market, but they have the disadvantage, quote unquote, that they're not that powerful. They don't really reach the 200 Joule mark, which I think is where most of the top of the line hunting crossbows currently are. But that is because they are cocked with a lever technique, and there is only so much power that you can generate with just one swing of a lever. Now, this one here has a different concept. First of all, it's a repeating model, but it also is bullpup, and it has a built-in winch. And the winch, as a difference to a lot of the commercially sold crossbow models, doesn't require any fumbling. No hooks, no nothing. You simply uncock it and recock it, and you don't have to put it in the next arrow because there is a magazine. Because see here, in relaxed condition, you can simply load the arrows into the magazine like so, like you would load, you know, rounds into an underlever rifle. That's it. And it is the whole magazine together with the trigger, which is here, that is actually the moving up and down. And you can see that the trigger is actually connected by means of another little piece of steel, so that the true trigger is here. It's a bullpup system, as I said. And the bullpup system makes it possible to really have a pre-stretched rubber. So this is the relaxed condition, and it's already under a lot of tension. And this is the difference to a short a slingshot crossbow, since it is the pre-tension that makes it possible that the entire power stroke is able to transfer energy to the arrow. Okay, I'll now take you through a shooting cycle. So first what you do is you take the little winch, and of course you can also use a ratchet or whatever, and you cock it back, and you can see that it can't decock because it's held back by this spring power lever. So I can just move the entire magazine together with the trigger system up until it reaches the maximum, which is still very easy to do because I don't have nearly all the rubber on it that I plan to use. Then I can take this thing and I can aim with it. This still lacks a scope, but I will attach it later. And now it shoots, and it shoots fine. Bang! Already with a lot of power, as you just saw. And if I want to shoot again, it's super easy. All I do is I take the same winch, like so. I press the lever here so that it relaxes, and then I move the whole thing down, like so, until the trigger engages, which just happened. And now I can simply cock the whole thing again. Effortless, of course, like so. And if I want it silent, I can also press this up during the cocking method. Okay, and then I can shoot again. And then I can repeat as often as I want to. Let me turn this around so that you can see the action a little better. So press the button here, wind down the magazine until the trigger engages, and then wind it up again, like so. And then you can leave this on or put it in your pocket. I think I will make a magnet holder for it later on. And then you shoot. Super simple, isn't it? So what comes next? Well, obviously this needs a lot of beautification. I plan on using 3 times the amount of rubber that I'm currently using. It's very simple because I just add more loops so that I have a total draw force of 240 kilograms, which is slightly over 500 pounds. And then also what I will do is I will use heavier arrows. I will actually put steel weights into the arrow, since rubber has a limited speed and I have to maximize the energy with heavier projectiles then. Also I will add a scope, of course, and hopefully make it a lot more beautiful. And of course also I want to find a place for the winch handle to be attached to the device so that you don't lose it, because I hate that. So I hope that you like this, because that's it for today. We take the target far away without aiming device. Wish me luck. Thanks, and Bye bye.